Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the National Commission for Backward Classes? Article 338, Article 338B, Article 340, or Article 341? Correct answer is Article 338B. The Indian Constitution is a partly written and partly uncodified constitution, uncodified constitution, written constitution, or none of the above. Correct answer is written constitution. How many articles were there in the Indian Constitution when this came into effect on January 26, 1950? 395, 396, 397, or 398? Correct answer is 395. The concept of rule of law is a special feature of constitutional system of Switzerland, USA, France, or British. Correct answer is British. India is a democratic republic because its parliamentary supremacy, its independent judiciary, head of the state is elected by people, or its distribution of power between center and state. Correct answer is head of the state is elected by people. Which of the following is the inalienable attribute of the parliamentary system of government? Flexibility of the constitution, fusion of executive and legislature, judicial supremacy, or parliamentary sovereignty? Correct answer is fusion of executive and legislature. The phrase equality before law used in Article 14 of Indian Constitution has been borrowed from USA, Germany, Greece, or British. Correct answer is British. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Direct, presidential, representative, or dictatorship? Correct answer is representative. Direct democracy is a system of government in which people take part directly in the policy making and administration of the country. People directly elect their representatives. People choose the civil servants, or government officials consult people on various appointments. Correct answer is people take part directly in the policy making and administration of the country. Which is the most important system in democracy? Social, political, economical, or governmental? Correct answer is political. How does the Constitution of India describe India as? A federation of states and union territories, a federated nation, Bharatvarsh, or a union of states? Correct answer is a union of states. Which Government of India Act allowed some elected representation in the legislature for the first time? Government of India Act 1858, Government of India Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, or Government of India Act 1935? Correct answer is Government of India Act 1909. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, K.M. Munshi, Mahatma Gandhi, or Abul Kalam Azad? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which of the following countries has introduced direct democracy? Russia, India, France, or Switzerland? Correct answer is Switzerland. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from British Constitution, USA Constitution, Canada Constitution, or France Constitution. Correct answer is British Constitution. The two forms of democracy are parliamentary and presidential, direct and indirect, monarchical and republican, or parliamentary and king. Correct answer is direct and indirect. Who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Alladi Krishna Swamy, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, or Gopalachari Iyengar? Correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The idea of Ombudsman is taken from which of the following countries? Sweden, China, USA, or UK? Correct answer is Sweden. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? Lord Mountbatten, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, or Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which of the following act introduced separate ink traces for Muslims? The Indian Councils Act of 1892, the Indian Councils Act of 1909, Reforms of 1919, or Government of India Act of 1935? Correct answer is the Indian Councils Act of 1909. Please join our journey, subscribe, share, and stay updated.